Hello again. Today I will show you how to square the upper beam against the bench. Tools required: a long engineering square, a PZ1 screwdriver, fairly large flathead screwdriver, a scraping blade, and a 3mm Allen key of sorts. To start, we want to remove the end latches and remove the washer, and then fit them in back for a couple of turns. Same thing on the other side. Put them on one side to make sure you don't lose them. Step number 2. Place the engineering square over the upper beam. Then we grab the over the lower beam, and then we grab the upper beam. We drop it down. Because of the size of the mount, we slide it over. Drop it, pull it down. Then grab the lower beam, pull it against the legs, pulley, and then turn the machine on. Grab the scraping blade, and we want to check our squareness. So place it on the inside of the upper beam, and look at the gap between the blade and your engineering square, in here and there. So in my case, I do need to bring this side further up. Just check again. Yes. So to adjust, you grab your flathead screwdriver and you go between the screw and the slot in the upper beam, and you just slide it, force it to one side like this. And then we check again our adjustment. Just touching. That looks quite the same to me. Grab the screwdriver, and then we fully lock the screw which is visible under the latch. That's one. And we go around and fully lock. Now we can remove the upper beam. Be gentle when removing, and we just want to fully tighten all the screws on the skids. There's one. There's another one. On this side. This side. Place your squaring block back onto the upper beam, as we'll need to check just in case something moved. Place your upper over. Let's pull it down. Grab the scraper, and we just double check the work we've done. Okay. And then here, yeah, that looks to me almost exactly the same gap between both sides. At this point, we can remove the engineering square. Power off the machine. install the clamp washers. And set the position of the extraction roller. So I just need to flick it back into position, drive in the top screw, tighten the bottom one, and at this point we are ready to use the machines. So yeah, install the Z head, plug everything back in, make sure everything's running properly. The machines should now be square. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.